Yeah, what's up, people? Mm, it's another time with yours truly, Edu Ada. So quickly today we'll talk about prime products. Under prime products, you look at numbers, look at what are the prime products. This is just a simple aspect of whole number system for basic class students. So if you are having a number that look at this what we have on the screen, express the following as product of their prime factors. What are the usefulness or what is the usefulness? Let me mention one of expressing number in their prime factors. You can easily calculate the highest common factors of numbers with this, which we call HCF. Yes, it's also easy for you to just represent these numbers by different methods. They are like two or more methods basically for finding the prime product of numbers or expressing numbers in their as a product of their prime factors. Of course, what is a factor? Let's start from there. You have a factor, you have, for example, you have 8, you have 2. So this number will divide a divisor. This is a divisor. This divisor will divide this to divide this number that is 8. So because it is a divisor, and it will divide it without any remainder, it can be said to be a factor of 8. Mind you, 8 can have a lot of factors. Of course, itself is a factor. The multiple of this will also be a factor. The multiple of this 2 will be a factor. That is 4 is a factor of 8. Then 8 will also be a factor of itself, like I said before. So here now, we take this as I'll take this as the multiple. And I'll take this as the factor. So we have the factor being the divisor of the multiple. Then later, I think in my next video, I'll talk about factors and multiples when we deal with the lowest common factor. So here, look at the number. Now there are different methods to express number as a product of their prime factors. First, we have the repeated division method. Repeated division method. How do we go with that? All you have to do is create something like a table. Then you write this. I'm treating the first one. Then start from the lowest number. So which is 2, of course. 2 in this 3 is 1. You have 1 left. Keep your 1 beside the 6 here. Then 2 in 16, 8. 2 in 0 is 0. We come again the same number because it can still divide. 2 in 18 you have 9. 2 in 0, 0. Come again. 2 in 9, 4. 1 left. In 10, 5. 2 cannot divide this. Why? This is an even number, this is an odd number. Though you can try it, but it won't divide it. So go to the next number. Check 3 out. 3 is odd. And the last digit here is also odd. So there's no likelihood that you divide it. Check it out. So 3 here, 1. You have 1 left. In 15, that is 5. You just see that. Then 3 here. 3 in 15, you have 5. Then 3 cannot divide that again. 5 in 5, you have 1. So writing this out, you're going to be having 2 times 2. How many 2 do we have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. 2, 3 times 3 times 3, which is also equal to, if you write in index form, you're going to be having 2 raised to the power of 3 times 3 raised to the power of 3. So this is a representation of 360 in the as a product of its prime factors. Here are all the prime factors of 360. Is that gotten? You can go by another approach. There's another approach which you call the tree method. The tree. You must know, it's good you know more than one method to solving a problem, because some of them, they at times, it become easier when you use a particular method. So you have 360, this, you keep dividing. What can I use to divide this? I want to use a smaller number that I will not be able to divide with a bigger number. So if I want to use 2, I know 2 will divide this. So 2 times what will give me 360? That is 180. Yes. So I leave this. This is settled. I divide this again. 3 approach. Are you seeing that? This again will go 2 times you have 90. Are you seeing that? This 90 again, I can still use 2 to divide it. Yes. I can still use 2. That will be 2 times 2 times 45. You see that? Come again. This one becomes what? 3 times 15. So you have 3. Oh, sorry about the delay. So 3 times 15. There's no more space there. Bring the 15 here. Then this becomes 3 times 5. Then your 5 becomes what? That is if you need to, 1 times 5. You now do this. Look at this, down. The arrow down. That's what you follow. So how many 2 do we have here? 1, 2, 3. How many 3? 1, 2. You should have 3 there. So 3 times 15. Yes, 2 times this, 180. Then yes, break this down. 2 times 90. Then here 90, 2 times 45. Then this 3 times 15. Then this 3 times yes, 3 times 15. Then this becomes what? 5 times 1. Yes, so you can just change this. You have this, you have this. You're going to be having 5 times 1. So this, guys, the advantage of using the second approach. There was an error in the first one we solved. You should have 5 somewhere, so we'll do it again. Yes, do it again. So this one now, this is supposed to be the prime product. 2 times, supposed to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Everything gives you 360. So these are the prime products of 360. Let's go and check by the first method we did again. We're supposed to have 5 in our solution. Yes. This just brought about review the error we made. Yes. So we have 360 divide here 180, divide here you have 90, continue 2 here 45, 3 we divide this, it should be 15. So 3 here you have 5, then 5 here you have 1. So that's correct. 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 2, then times 5. This becomes the prime product of 360. Sorry about the first error. This is the what you should have. Let's do the second one before we get out of time. You have 336 This is an even number. Start with the smallest number, which is 2. 2 will divide 2 here 1, keep 1. In 13 that is 6, keep 1. Here 8. 2 will still divide. 2 here is 8. 2 here is 4. Keep dividing. We have 4 to 2. 2 here, 2 and 1. Can 2 divide again? No. Go to 3. 3 here, 7. Neither will 3 divide again. 7 itself, 1. So we have 2 raised to power of 4. Check how many we have here. 2 raised to power of 4 times 3 times 7. So that basically becomes the prime product of 336. You can work this out yourself with what we have done together. Use any of the methods. Preferably, you can use this repeated division. It's much easier. Of course, the 3 method too is easy. So you go by the one you like. Thank you for joining me. Have a nice time.